I'm in Kohl's today. It's Saturday, December 16th, and I'm in Kohl's. We're trying to find some sneakers for my son, but while we're here, yes, I figured I'd try on 3 outfits. So I'm looking for 3 things. I'm gonna try to find, it would be nice to try on at least one dress. So I'm gonna look for some dresses and then another outfit. So I'm trying to get some good angles here. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna try to find 3 dresses and a set, like a top and a bottom. People come out of the woodwork as soon as a camera is around. It seems like everybody just shows up where you are. It's the craziest thing. They don't have my size. I just need a medium. Or small in this one. I'm gonna try on this dress. Simply Vera Wang or Simply Vera. Shows $74. Maybe I'll just try on 3 dresses. It'll be much quicker and my family will not be annoyed by me taking too long. Another Simply Vera. This one is $58. And then this one. It's a long one. And I'm gonna find one more. I just came across these. I feel like I want to try on one of these sparklies. I'll take this in a medium. Who's this by? Lauren Conrad. She's like a big time person in this store. $70. This is a really short dress. I don't know. I'm gonna try this one on. That's 3 dresses. I might make it 4 because this one is cute too. But they don't have small. Oh, they have a small and then they have a large. They don't have medium. I think I'm a medium, but I'm gonna try large. Okay, let's find a fitting room. They have a few cute cardigans too. I like this green. Okay, so now to try to find, yep, fitting rooms right over here. Let me show you what I'm wearing first. This is the outfit I'm wearing today. It's just this jean dress from H&M. I have it tied in the back with the straps so you can put it around, tied around the front, but I pulled it to the back to cinch the waist. And then I'm just wearing this headband from Saks Off 5th, where I get all my headbands from. And then I had these boots on. I forgot who made these. Franco Sarto boots, knee-high boots. And I'm carrying my Patricia Nash bag. And now I'm gonna try on the first dress. So I'm gonna try this this one on first. Again, it's a size small by Simply Vera. And here it is. It has this elastic here. It has elastic at the wrist. It has this detailing here. It's a V-neck cut. And it has like leaf patterns in it, as well as like the zebra print. It's pretty long. It has another layer underneath. So this is like a slip layer, and you can see those straps are right here, and that's just so that you can wear it obviously without revealing too much. It's probably very see-through because it's this very thin mesh material. Very cute. Now the next dress will be this black dress, size medium, Simply Vera also. It has a little bit of elastic in the wrists. It comes like this, has these little pleats, a little dip here. It has a tie, and it's just about knee length. Okay, pretty much it. Very flowy and loose.
Yeah, no, it's okay. I did. I went over and helped her and brought it up there.
All right, next dress is going to be this sequins one here. Again, this is a Lauren Conrad, and it is in a size medium. Okay, this dress is not for me. It is a mini size dress, but I would definitely wear this as a top. So this top part is cute to me. It has elastic at the wrist. It has this neckline. It has two buttons in the back to tighten it around the neck. And then it has like a little elastic here, and then it's straight at the bottom with this little, let me show you. With this little, almost like a wrap look. But yeah, this is too short for me for one. And peekaboo, that's all I'm gonna show in the back. So this is it. I do have some thick tights on, so it's not as obvious as anything else, but if it was just leg and shoe, this would be one of those sexy little things. But yeah, it's cute. I love all the sequins, you know. Sparkles, that's gonna get me every time. But yeah, I'm gonna take this off and try on the last dress, which is this one. Once again, let's review. It is a, yep, Lauren Conrad, size large. All right, so here it is. This one also has elastic in the sleeves. It has a little V drop. This is the patterning. The sleeves are not fully to the wrist. They're right here. It has a tie. It has a lining inside. There's like this full lining. The dress is very thin and mesh-like, and I'm not feeling it. Again, this is bigger than what I would normally wear anyway. I probably should have tried the small would, but medium I feel like would be best. But still, this is it. It's not my style. It might be considered my style, but I don't like this. Okay, that's it. Let's change back into my clothes and get on out of here. Okay, so I'm back in my clothes, and this is my full look. I have this jacket on too that I'm wearing, and then my mother got me this Patricia Nash scarf a while ago for a gift. I think it was actually for one of my recent birthdays, but I just been wearing it hanging out of this jacket pocket for some reason. I just like how it is, and that's it. So I'm taking my items, go put them out on the main hanger, and it's time to go. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna put these back where they were, since I was just doing this for fun. Let's go. Not trying to make extra work for people, just for me to play around in the store. So, here we go.